I've never been excited for Halloween, by the way, never ever. And I don't know why I wanted to do a vampire, definitely a vampire. The only thing I'm missing is the teeth, but I didn't have time to go shopping. And something important, I really wanted to do something which you can do at home with things you have. I'm sure you own most of this stuff at home. Nothing major, nothing complicated. Just some eyeshadow, some makeup, like a liquid lipstick instead of blood. Don't need to buy anything, that was my point. Yeah, if you wanna see how I did this, just stay here. So I'm starting off with the foundation from Maybelline 24 Hours. A Super Stay foundation just because it's full coverage, and I mix it on my palette here with this mixer, Foundation Pro Foundation mixer from NYX. I just want the foundation to be a bit lighter on me. I want to make this as sickly as possible. So for concealer, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me in 10, shade 10, which is too light for me, but it's perfect for the look. I definitely want to do some contouring here. So my eyes naturally go red on the waterline here. I don't know if you can see when I touch them, and they're quite sensitive, so that's perfect for the look today. I'm not gonna go with the concealer next to the waterline. I'm just gonna leave them red. That's even better. I'm not blending this too much, just to exaggerate the contour. Okay, for the lids, I will be using this Catrice concealer just because it's gonna hold my shadows just a bit more. I want to pull my eyebrows a bit upwards. Obviously, I'm not gonna bleach them, and I'm not gonna cut them, or I don't know, whatever they are doing to hide their eyebrows. That's not gonna be me. Okay, I think I want to set everything with a powder. I have one eye done. I'm using the Be Perfect and Stacey Marie palette. You've seen this one not once. And I'm playing here with the black shade, obviously. I will be using and this gray shade, as well as just a tiny bit of this one here, the purplish one. And later on, I will add a bit of these two just to make it even more vampire. So I'm going with the gray one now, and I will obviously fast forward or just cut many places so you don't sit here for hours. I will be adding now just a bit of the purple shade, the Persuasion. And I will use just a bit of the reddish color. So the point of this is just to make my eyes look more bruised. But what changes the look the most is the lower lid, I believe, for me. Now I want some more of the gray. I don't usually do this kind of makeup, I was saying. It's just not my style. But I don't know why I feel so inspired from Halloween. Okay. I think so far so good. I need to do the eyebrow as well at some point before I move on. I'm just trying to make it darker here. I need just a bit more red here, I think. Yeah, purpley red. And then I will add some gray as well, just here. Okay, I think that's enough, and I'm moving on to the black. I'm using the Jaclyn Hill brush for this, by the way. Since I got the brush, I'm really happy with it. Now I press and stamp here so I don't get too much fallout. Don't blend the black, as you see. I just stamp it on the lid. I just want pigmentation. And by the way, what I like about this brush compared to the MAC one 239 is that this one is a tiny bit pointy, so you can blend just the edge of an eyeshadow if you need to. I need a brush which I used for the gray, and I'm blending, maybe not this one, maybe a smaller one, and I'm blending just the edge of the black. I don't blend the base, the lash line, I mean. You know what I mean, I'm sure. I drag it on my nose. Now I'm taking the brush with the gray on it. I didn't apply any more product, I mean, just to use what's left on the brush. This part of the eye is done. Now I'll move on to the eyebrows. I'm using the brow pencil from NYX, and then I will apply a bit of the black eyeshadow on top. That's what I did, just for some more drama here. And I will bring my eyebrow up a bit upwards. Now I couldn't hide this part, as I told you, with the concealer, but that's fine. I mean, I wouldn't damage my eyebrows just for a Halloween makeup look. Okay, I will finish them off with the eyeshadow, the black one. If I find my brush, yep, that's baby brush from Sigma, which I own for years. Actually, it's the same, like, it should be the same, like it's the mini E65 eyeliner brush, but I find the small one to be a bit thicker than the big one. I don't know if it's just me, or it's only my brush. Eyebrow gel, clear, from NYX, Control Freak, and I will try to brush them with the tip of the comb. Lovely jubbly, eyebrows are done. I will leave the gel to dry, I won't touch them. By the way, they will fall down a little bit. I could use soap for this, but I just hit the brow gel and I was too lazy to stand up. And I have a fallout here, but that's fine, even better. And then I will move on to the lower lash line. I will start off with a smaller brush, the pointy one, and I'm gonna apply some of the gray shade. I mean, I'm gonna try to do almost the same, but here I'm lucky since I have eye bags anyway, which for the first time will help me in something. And then I'm gonna grab the bigger brush because I don't want to stay for hours here. And I will just apply some of the gray on the eye bag itself, just to exaggerate it. This part especially. And I'm not trying to blend this perfect, because I'm trying to get some kind of something like not stains of gray, but I want the gray to be darker, like patches of gray, let's say. That's what I'm trying to achieve here. And then I am moving to the red, which I will try to apply kind of in patches. I mix it with the gray. It starts to get better and better. I want some more here though. You see, like this side. And I need some of the boy bye, which is a bit more, it's kind of red like again. Here. Some of the black one. Here in the lash line, but I'm leaving the waterline. Now I'm taking the bigger brush with the gray, just to blend a bit more the black shade. Now with the pointy brush I'm going back to boy bye, just here. Okay, I think that looks fine. I will curl my lashes and apply some mascara. Next, I'm moving on to the fun part. Now I'm gonna be using this Jeffree Star brush, eyeliner brush, which when I ordered I thought it's gonna be thinner, but it's not. Anyway, I'm using some Revlon lipstick and this is the shade 477. I don't have any idea if this lipstick is still available. I own it for I don't know how long time. I should probably throw it, but I will use it instead of like a fake blood or whatever, just here for these veins. Now I will move on to, what was it? To the pencil in my waterline. If I find the top of the lipstick, it is here. Okay, now what I want to do is contour my face big time. And I was thinking to use the contouring shade from Inglot, which is somewhere here, this one. The number is 509, I believe. Now the main difference is I don't usually contour my face lower here. But this time I will. Just to exaggerate this part here. And I will apply some of the gray shade, since this is pulling just a bit more brownish. And let's see what will happen with the black lipstick. By the way, I've never used this lipstick, so that's what bothers me the most. The brand is Shaka, and that was on sale for like 3-4 euro. Okay, now I will try to do the blood thing, which I really want. And I'll try to do it with a liquid lip. This one from Douglas, which I tried the other day. I wasn't really happy because it was bleeding in my fine lines. I just want to get like a tear here or here. No, here. Oh, I hope my eyes will be fine after this. I definitely want to do something with the lip. I mean, the more the lipstick is staying on my lips, the more greenish it goes. So I will try the trick with the eyeliner. Alright, that's the finished makeup look. What do you think? Don't forget to comment down below, do you like it? Do you not? If you don't, comment down below as well. It's better than nothing. That was really fun to do. It was really nice and it took me quite a long time. If you like it, if you found the tutorial helpful, just give me thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot for me since my channel is so tiny, and I'll see you guys in my next one.